Hello, and welcome to the new season of the Bowling Corner by me, Timo, Tinke. And in today's episode, we're going to take a look for the upcoming Regular Spy. What kind of bowl is it, and will it be good? Spoiler alert, it will be. Now that's one heck of a ball, I gotta say. It has a weaker cover, but it covers so many boards that I can play it almost anywhere, I have to say. When I will use it, well, on the lighter oil, or when the pattern is peeling up, and I can surely say that it will be in my main roster, so to speak, so in the main bat. If you liked what you saw, get the ball. The release date is next week, so check your pro shop and get it as soon as you can. You won't be disappointed. And if you like this video, leave a thumb up, and also you can subscribe, and see you next time then.